Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, good afternoon, good afternoon. It has been with Ogbomoso Focus TV again, and we are here live and direct at Ogbomoso Palace this afternoon. And it's a pleasure to let you know that the men of old Oyo National Park are here live and direct in the Ogbomoso Palace, and it's a pleasure meeting them this afternoon. Good afternoon, sirs and mas. It's a pleasure meeting you, and I'm having this moment to introduce to you a one and only Alhaji Ejide. He's a very popular and known man, well-famous man in the city of Ogbomoso. But with the look of things, it seems once a uniform man like this men forces standing here this afternoon. Alhaji, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
It's a pleasure meeting you again.
Thank you so much, website.
All right, sir. Alhaji, what are you here for this afternoon, sir?
Well, we are the National Park Service. We are in 2018. The staff of National Park were here to pay homage to our king, Oba Ghandi Olaoye, and to wish him well and to introduce the service they are doing at Oyo. One of their projects is also in Northern. So they are here to introduce that aspect to our cabinet. And the team is led by their Conservator Park, Teslim Adeli. So once again, we thank KBC for receiving us and give us all the necessary attention.
Sir, Alhaji, with this, your men come around today, said you've been retired from these forces some years ago. Sir, how and how well are they ready to pledge their support for Ogbomoso? Because I know the park is around Ogbomoso city now. And so how well your men are ready to pledge their support for us in the city of Ogbomoso, sir?
Well, you can be sure that because of my interest in this community, which you are also aware, that this is where I work for 30 years, and whatever this service will do for Ogbomoso, I will make sure I work on it and to go to the benefit of this Ogbomoso community. Presently, we have a project at Ikoyi, Ile, which we are looking at in collaborating with the National Park and make sure we put that place into proper use.
And I hope, sir, security-wise, there has been a challenge that a lot of covered men dressing in another form to pretend to be one of those kind of bandits hides in the bush somewhere. I hope your men is ready to pledge their support for us in terms of security-wise to help us chase them away, sir.
They are doing very well. It's not easy, but they are doing very, very well.
But it's part of their service, sir.
When you listen to the CP, he said that out of the parks we have in Nigeria, Old National Park is the most peaceful park with less bandits and less illegal miners. If not for them, by now, Ikoyi will have been problems. Most of these people will have been problems. It's because of the activity that are able to put down all the legal activities in the National Park. So I can assure you, they are to the task and do more to protect the life and property of this community.
All right. That has been a wonderful one from Alhaji Monsuru Ejide, a very well popular and Ogbomoso philanthropist. We really appreciate you, and we thank your men for coming around. Once again, we really appreciate you. Hold Oyo National Park. Okay, thanks for coming. Thanks for coming to Ogbomoso Palace. We really appreciate you. We hope to see more of you and cooperate and work with you in the nearest tomorrow. Sir, it's a pleasure meeting you, sir.
It is a pleasure.
Sir, can you tell us your name and your post, sir?
I'm a conservator of the park, Teslim Adeli Karim. The conservator of the park,
Oyo National Park. We hope we will see more of you around and collaborating with us in the city of Ogbomoso, sir.
That's great.
All right.
That's why we are here.
That's why you are here.
To meet with His Royal Majesty.
All right.
Seeking for this intervention and also case the project we have around.
All right. And in terms of collaboration with us in the city, right?
Yeah.
All right.
We are in as we have our is a father here.
Yes.
Certainly, we are collaborating seriously with the people, good people of
So protecting our parks out there, apart from you protecting the park, how visible it is it kind of easy for tourists central or kind of? Is it possible?
It's very, very possible.
Okay.
Orile National Park has enormous tourist potentials.
Okay.
Ranging from the wild animals, ranging from wild games like cobalt sculpts.
All right.
And we have different kind of savannah vegetation.
Okay.
National Park is the Southern Guinea savannah.
All right.
That's vast hectares of land.
All right.
Ecological, historical, cultural sites. They are there.
All right.
For tourists to see.
All right.
And serve as a tourist attractive center.
Center. Okay.
So that's what we speak now.
We'll look forward to that, and we hope with time you give us the access or some of our people to come around, meet you, and once in a while we can take them to the park to experience the wild animals. Maybe we can learn the skills of catching the wild animals for fun. That will be okay. All right. Once again, your name, sir.
Conservator of the park, Ghandi.
All right. Really appreciate you. Thanks for coming. That has been the moment here in the city of Ogbomoso. You can see the men of Old Oyo National Park are here live and direct in the Ogbomoso Palace just to pay homage to His Imperial Majesty Oba Ghandi Afolabi Olaoye, and we really appreciate their coming. They all came all in the name of Alhaji Mansuru Ejide, a very wonderful philanthropist in the city of Ogbomoso, and that's what you've seen here right now. We really appreciate their coming, and that is their vehicle out there. Thanks for your coming, and we look forward to collaborate with them in the nearest future, hoping to work with them and be a wonderful and a blessing to Ogbomoso land in the nearest future. But this time, we say thanks for coming, and we really appreciate you. Hope to see more of them around. Thank you so much.